Good evening everyone and welcome to the channel. This is the first video of the series of 4 videos which I will be providing on dichotomies given by Saussure. In this video, we will be dealing with the dichotomy Lang and Parole. So let's just start. So Lang and Parole is basically one of the dichotomies proposed by Ferdinand de Saussure. Other dichotomies being syntagmatic and paradigmatic difference, or signifier and significant difference, or the synchronic versus diachronic difference. So these dichotomies were given in the book Course in General Linguistics, which got published in 1916. However, originally this book was written in French and later translated into English in 1916. The terms Lang and Parole are French terms, where Lang means language and Parole means speech. To understand these terms better, we will create a difference between these terms, a distinction table that will make you understand these terms in a better way. Now the first difference between these two terms is between their meaning only. Lang refers to language while Parole refers to speech. One thing to keep in mind is that the speech the Parole is considering is both the spoken speech and the written speech. Now Lang are basically principles or rules of a language. And now how do we use these principles to form meaningful utterances is Parole. So using these principles is Parole and Lang is principles. Suppose a principle is subject, verb and object. This is one rule of a language. Now using this subject, verb and object to make a meaningful utterance, suppose he goes to school is Parole. Understand? Now one more thing is that Lang is abstract because rules or principles are abstract. They are in the mind of the speaker or the user, while Parole is concrete because we are making concrete utterances which are coming from our mouth. Now Lang doesn't depend on the individual user because the rules or principles are same for everybody, while Parole depends on individual to individual. It depends on who is the individual who is using that language. The rule is same, but it depends on the individual how he is using that rule, how he is making utterances which is different from other individual, right? Now one thing more is that Lang is static. Principles or rules are static, while Parole is very diverse and divergent. Diverse because the number of people who share a language are diverse themselves. So Parole is diverse. So this is the difference between Lang and Parole. Now let's just look at some of the points to keep in mind while we are talking about Lang and Parole. So the first is that without Lang, no Parole is possible. Means without the rules of a language, no utterances can be formed. As simple as that. Now, to make us understand Lang and Parole in a better way, what Saussure did, he compared the Lang with the rules of a chess, and he compared Parole with the individual preferences or the choices one makes in that game. So, rules of the chess is Lang, and the individual preferences or choices in the game of chess is Parole. So I hope with this comparison and with the differentiation chart, this Lang and Parole differentiation will become clear to you. Thank you so much. Keep subscribed to the channel for more such updates, and also do not forget to share it with your friends and classmates.